Is your Windows PC running out of storage, but you have no idea what's using all this space? In the next few minutes, I'll show you the fastest way to find the largest file on your computer so you can free up gigabytes of storage without installing any software. Hi everyone, welcome back to Hello Helper. If you love quick Windows tips that save time and storage, don't forget to subscribe. Let's find those space hogging files. Before deleting anything, let's see how much storage is left. If your drive is already full, finding large file is one of the quickest way for free up space. Open File Explorer, then click on this computer. Here's the easiest trick. Open this PC and search using size 500 MB. Windows will instantly look for the files larger than 500 megabytes across your computer. If you only want huge file, then size 1 GB. This is perfect for finding all videos, downloads, backup files and large installers. Once the search is complete, switch to detail view and then sort the file by size. Now your biggest file appear at the top, making it easy to see what's taking up the most space. And that's it, how you can quickly find the largest file taking up space in Windows 11. If this video saved you some storage, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to Hello Helper, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.